Enlighten Solar is continuously developing great products, and we're proud to introduce the new way to install solar panels. Not only offering the beauty and luxury of an outdoor carport, our solar carport also produces enough energy to fully or partially cover your entire home energy consumption. Built to last with a 25-year warranty on the structure, you will enjoy the comfort, convenience, and the aesthetically pleasing look of our solar carport. When looking to invest in the beauty and efficiency of your home, the solar carport is the product that accomplishes that. Without having unsightly solar panels on your roof, you can achieve the ultimate goal of energy independence with the solar carport. Now you can protect your vehicles and produce enough energy to power your home. This stylish solar carport is ready to be installed in your home immediately. Call now and get a free in-home consultation today. 1-800-490-0062.